Hey guys, what's going on? Chad here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a comparison video between the Brio Raze and the Freebird Flex Series head shavers. First of all, the Brio Raze looks like this. It came out in the spring of this year. And if you are familiar with Brio, Brio is very, very well built and has an incredible battery life. And their products are amazing. See the coated blades. This is the Flex series right here by Freebird. You can see it's got 5 head shavers on it as well, and it does have the little leather grips on the back and all these goodies. So we're going to get right into the details. So first we're going to go over the Flex series by Freebird, then I'll go over the Brio Raze. This is the kit that you're going to get when you purchase the Flex series shaving kit. Inside you will find the trimmer that goes on the top of it if you want to trim your beard or your head for that matter. Then you have 3 different guards. Now this is where the head shavers went in. It goes on the top of the body. Right over here you're going to find the USB cable charger, tool for your face, brush, exfoliator brush. It's going to exfoliate your face, and nose and ear trimmer as well. So that's what you're going to find in the box. Also, you're going to have a little brush that most of them come with as well. So let's get right to it. What do I think about this thing? I think it's kind of nice. It does have the little flip up little trimmer if you want to do your mustache or maybe trim off your sideburns to even each side. I do like the sides, how they have a plastic grip. And the power button right here, you push it once, you can see green. When it needs charged, it'll turn red. So it does have the 5 blades on the top, which is nice and very, very easy to clean out. You just open them up like this, which is very, very handy dandy when it comes to fixing them up and cleaning them. Just goes like that, and you can just clean them right out and then just shut them back in there like that. The heads come right off like this, and that's about it. It does come with a proprietary charger, and it does not have a safety lock on it when you travel, or travel lock rather. It does not have 2 speeds. It only has 1 speed. Push the button, it turns on. Push the button, it turns off. And notice that the blades are not coated. They're just regular stainless steel blades. It's a pretty good head shaver. I think that they're doing pretty good stuff. So let's check out the Brio Raze and see how it stacks up. Now the Brio Raze came out in spring. It does have the coated blades on it. This one is going to be a little bit different when it comes to cleaning the blades. You would just take the blades off like this. And I would highly recommend that you do not take these out, because they are a pain to get back in and very hard to get back in. You may have to even replace the whole head. Comes off pretty easy, back on pretty easy. Just comes apart like that. One thing I really love about this thing, it feels great in the hand. It feels like a mouse pad. It is like a matted black. Feels really, really good. It says Brio Raze on it. Here's the charging port on it. And it does not have a trimmer that pops up like the other ones. However, I really don't need one because I have the Brio Beardscape version 2 that they have for Brio. Most beardsmen out there, if you have a beard and you're serious about your beard like I am, you want a Beardscape. I'll drop a link below where you can find one, but I'm telling you, the battery life on that, you can charge these things maybe 2 or 3 times a whole year and they will go the whole time. They will last forever, and the customer service is incredible. They will replace it. They'll help you. They make it worthwhile. So it's kind of cool. This thing lights up right here. It's digital. It tells you the battery life on it. When it gets low, it'll light up here. Notice that when you push the button again, there's 2 speeds. So 1 speed, 2 speeds. So this will tell you how much life you have left before you have to charge it. When you push it once, and then it'll tell you the second time. What's really cool about it that I love, that when you hold this down for 5 seconds, it's got a travel lock on it. So let me turn it on, hold it down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it just, you can't turn it back on until you push 5 seconds again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it'll start back up, and it's ready to go. So just really enjoy this. It is a little bit cheaper than the Flex series, and me personally, I enjoy it better. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but the head on the Brio Raze is bigger than the Flex series. Not necessarily a bad thing. A lot of guys like the smaller heads. I like the bigger heads. It gets a lot more done faster. I do like the coated blades better than the uncoated because if you have sensitive skin or if you have coarse hair, it makes it a lot easier on the skin. So Brio Raze will cost you $69. Flex Series will cost you $73. Now, you can get the Flex Series on Amazon. You get free shipping, Prime. You can get the Brio Raze on Brio.com, and the shipping's not very much. You may even get free shipping. I'm not sure, but you might want to check it out. But I do have a code that will save you 10% for Brio. When you figure $69 and you take off 10%, you're going to save about $7 or so. So it pretty much takes care of the shipping. So with that said, what is my final thoughts? Between the Brio Raze and the Freebird Flex Series, I'm going to go with the Brio Raze. You're in the men's grooming, you already know Brio is one of the top companies that's making a dent. They're growing, they're exploding because they have great products. They will last a long time. They take care, they back their stuff up, and they're cheaper. For the quality you get, they should be charging way more, but they don't. So anyways, guys, if you like this video and it's been helpful, please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more reviews. If you have any questions about these that I didn't answer, make sure you drop a comment below. I would love to help you out, help you answer the best I can. If you've used any of these head shavers I talked about in this video, I would like to know what your thoughts are. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.